Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart your BMW 7 Series. First, prioritize safety by gathering essential gear like gloves and eye protection. It is crucial to ensure both vehicles are completely turned off before you begin connecting any cables. You will find the designated positive and negative terminals conveniently located under the hood of your BMW, not directly on the battery in the trunk. Now, let's connect the positive cables. Take one end of the red positive jumper cable and securely attach it to the positive terminal on your dead BMW 7 Series. Next, connect the other end of this same red cable to the positive terminal of the assisting vehicle's good battery. Double-check that both positive connections are firm and stable before proceeding to the next step. For the negative connections, take one end of the black negative jumper cable and attach it to the negative terminal of the assisting vehicle's good battery. Then, connect the other end of the black cable to an unpainted metal ground point on your dead BMW 7 Series, away from the battery. Never connect the negative cable directly to the dead battery's negative terminal. With all cables connected, start the assisting vehicle and let its engine run for about 5 minutes to charge your BMW's battery slightly. After this brief wait, attempt to start your BMW 7 Series. Once it starts, disconnect the jumper cables in the reverse order. First, remove the negative cable from the ground point, then the negative from the good battery, followed by both positive cables.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.